Allama Muhammad Iqbal has made great contributions in the realms of metaphysics, religion, philosophy, literature, psychology, sociology, politics, history, art, and culture. His observation that the main purpose of the Quran is to awaken in man the higher consciousness of his manifold relations with God and the universe essentially brings forth the field of epistemology, science of knowledge, and its corresponding field, ontology, science of being. Allama Iqbal stands for extending the frontiers of knowledge and being as against the modern philosophers who try to constrict the frontiers of knowledge as well of being. Iqbal addresses the modern psychologist in one of his most emphatic verses in this regard. जुरत है तो अफकार की दुनिया से गुजर जा, हैं बहरे खुदी में अभी पोशीदा जजीरे, खुलते नहीं इस कुल्ज़ में खामोश के असरार, जब तक तो इसे ज़रबे कलीमी से न चीरे. It is the need of our times to understand Iqbal's theory of knowledge, which considers sense experience and intellectual intuition as sources of knowledge. The integration of sense perception and heart perception can open up fresh vistas of knowledge in man's inward and the outward. There is an equal need to understand Iqbal's vision of history as a source of knowledge. It can help us in developing our nation to a level where it earns one of the most respectable places in the community of nations. Allama Muhammad Iqbal wants the younger generation to solve its problems by thinking, reflecting, and acting according to the guiding principles of the Quran and the noble conduct of the Prophet of Islam. It is the light of truth, beauty, and love which can show us the way in this dark night of the world.